Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, today we are going to discuss Ansys Discovery. So we are going to see some tutorials on Ansys Discovery, how the Ansys Discovery is working and how it is useful and how easy it is. So let's start. So for using Ansys Discovery, we need to take some simulation system or a geometry. So here, let me add a geometry system. Now we just open this by double clicking, so it will take some loading time and it will be open that discovery environment. Let's see. So we can see this is a discovery graphical user interface. So here at the top we have design tool where we have paste, clipboard, cut, copy, paste. Then we have sketch tools, sketch modes and sketching tools, constraints, editing tools, intersect, create. It's similar to basically space claim system, but we have more advantages here. We can do simulations also. We can solve the problem directly in this environment also. We can design and we can solve the problems. We can calculate stresses. We can see pressures, velocities, magnitudes, von Mises stresses, magnitude stresses in x direction, y direction, z directions. All that we can easily view in this window. So I'll take some sample of example. Let's see. So here we have a bracket on which we can do a static analysis. Will calculate stresses and all. So here in this bracket we have applied the material aluminum alloy and we have given that gravity on this. Then we have make a displacement on this part, the force distributed on that hole 200 Newton, and we have one fixed support at this hole and second fixed support at this hole. Now we have to only just calculate because everything we have given. Now we just solve it. We have to just click here to solve it. So once we click calculate, we can see the displacements we got here. So initially here we set the displacement, so we can see the displacement values that we coming. So I want to see like displacement in z direction. We can click and we can see the displacement values in z directions. Then same way we can click for y direction and x direction. If I want to see some more results, we can come here and we can check von Mises stresses. So this is how we can see the total von Mises stress 2.38 E, maximum E7, that is the value, and minimum 4030. Similarly, I want to check that principal stress on this. We can check a principal stress value. We have three values, first, second and third. Three values we can see. Then if you want to see any other results also, that you can check here. So right now I don't have context stresses and all. I'll not checking this. So this is how we can calculate a small problem. Let's see now. Now we'll see more problems in the next video.